Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and hello there for the brand new viewers. Thank you for passing by and clicking on this video. Please consider subscribing to my channel and thank you for doing this. Today I'm gonna be filming designer crop top, trying haul and modeling video. The reason I decided to make this video is because recently I purchased several designer crop tops and all of them looks amazing. They look great. I just wanted to share with you guys. High-rise pants and high-rise leggings are still on trend. For those reasons, we need crop tops to achieve the right look. So this is my first crop top. And so this one is from Dolce&Gabbana Camelo collection. This is a turtleneck top. So this turtleneck top is crafted from soft chenille and it's also trimmed with a logo lettered waistband. There is branding going on for sure. At the back there is a zipper. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. It feels like velvet. It's super duper soft and cozy, yeah, which is cool, you know. I love this top. To stick with Dolce&Gabbana, here is one more purchase. This is another piece from Dolce&Gabbana Camelo collection. So this one is cropped jersey sweatshirt with embroidered DG patch. Here we see more branding, DG and Milana. Yeah, obviously this is Dolce&Gabbana for those who know this brand. As much as I don't like branding, I absolutely love this one. I don't know, it looks so cute on me. I love everything about this sweatshirt besides sleeves. Sleeves are a little bit long, but this is how they are supposed to be. Even on the model, they look really long. But anyway, I really love this top. So this one is logo embossed sweatshirt by Wang. Yeah, I love this one. Not only is this a crop top, but also it's very oversized. It's really oversized. Look at that. I had to go one size down with this one. So this one is in light gray color. There are more colors available: medium gray, black, pink, green. So if you don't like this one, you can go with different color. I think there is also white. So it has crewneck, super long sleeves, and embossed logo to the front of the crewneck. Yeah, so it says W-A-N-G, so that stands for Wang. This one has extremely thick layer of fleece. It's nice for cold summer days or cold winter days. Probably not an everyday sweatshirt, but I'm sure I will get some use of this sweater. To stick with Wang, here is another scoop neck cropped knit top. Yeah, it's very minimalistic, super soft and comfy, not itchy at all. I love this one. There are tiny embossed letterings. It says Wang and also it says New York, and it's upside down. Not much branding, very minimalistic. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please give this video a thumbs up and see you guys next time. Bye. Cameras point and shoot. Ask me what's my best side.